Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here in Amalfi Coast in Italy, and I will tour you around. This is my part 2 of my walking tour. Oh, it's so hot and this place is so beautiful. I love it. Thanks God. Mahmoud Groovy and I decided, to go here to celebrate my birthday. So I'm glad and so happy I met Mami Groovy in person in Marilu TV. They are the one closest to my heart. We will stay here an hour, so our tourist guide tell us if we want to go swimming. That's fine. He'll come back to pick up us in an hour. Look at that view. Oh my. It's a paradise. Wow, I'm glad I spent my birthday here in Italy. I am so happy and grateful with all the blessings. And I have with my most beautiful friend here, with Mami Gubi and Marilu TV. We're enjoying so much fun. There is another fort there, so I'm gonna go there too. We're all busy. Oh, this place is amazing. Wow. This is Italy is one of my bucket list, but I think this is my 6 or 7 times in Italy, but first time in Naples, Italy. Sorrento, Italy. This is my first time here. Maganda tayo na naman eh.
Nosotros hablamos español.
Nag-video ako sa sarili ko. Ano? Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and God bless us all.